In this video, you'll learn how to add custom fields to Zoho. This process allows you to tailor the CRM to better fit the unique needs of your organization. Start by navigating to the Zoho CRM homepage. You can do this by entering the appropriate URL in your web browser. Once on the homepage, you should see a dashboard with various options and modules available. Next, locate and click on the settings icon, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. This action will redirect you to a settings menu where various customization options are available. Once in the settings menu, look for the option labeled customization. Clicking on this will open a submenu with additional customization features, including modules and fields. After that, select modules and fields from the customization options. This section allows you to view and manage all existing modules, as well as create new ones tailored to your business requirements. Now, click on the button that reads Create New Module. This will initiate the process of setting up a new module, which is essential for adding custom fields. Following this, click on Create Module. You will be taken to a new screen where you can specify details about the new module you wish to create. At this stage, you need to select the type of module that needs to be created for your organization. You can choose from various options available, ensuring it aligns with your business goals. Then navigate to Organization Modules. This section will display the modules associated with your organization, allowing you to manage them effectively. Next, find and click on Team Module, which is designed for user groups and can be specific to a team space. This option will help you create a module that is relevant to your team dynamics. Now, click on Team Modules. This will allow you to manage the modules specifically used by teams within your organization. After that, click on the Next button to proceed with the module creation process. You may need to wait a moment for the system to process this action. Now, locate and click on the button that says Create. This is a crucial step in finalizing the new module setup and moving forward. At this point, provide the necessary information for the custom module. Make sure to fill in all required fields accurately to avoid any issues later on. Once you have entered the information, click on Save. This action will save your newly created module, ensuring that all your changes are preserved. Next, click on Plural Name. This allows you to specify how the module will be referred to in its plural form within the system. Then click on Singular Name. This is where you define the singular form of the module name, which will be used in various contexts throughout Zoho. Following this, click on Save again to ensure that both the plural and singular names are recorded correctly in the system. Now, navigate to Team Space Permission. This option allows you to set permissions for who can access this new module and its features. Next, click on CRM Team Space. This action will help you configure the team space settings associated with the module you are creating. After that, click on Save once more to finalize the permissions and settings for your new module. You should see a message indicating that the module has been created successfully. This confirmation ensures that all your configurations have been applied correctly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.